Hey, yo, what's up everybody? JT here. I've been playing around with AI lately, updated a new app builder using Lovable as the code index, I guess you could call it. And this new app right here, Maker AI, we could easily come down here, have AI suggest an idea. Say we want it to be marketing. We could have it to be easy, medium, or hard. Easy being one simple idea, one clear purpose. Great if you're just getting started. Medium, a few moving parts and integrations. This is for when you're ready for a bit more, or even a hard product. A full product with multiple features, best once you've built something before. And what I did to get a really good idea was I came down here to where it says your industry experience. I just took a full screenshot of the page, and then I came over here to Claude and I asked and said, based on what you know about me, what could I put in here? And let me actually find the prompt I put in there really quick. Right here. So as you can see right here, I just took a full screenshot of the page right on my phone. I had this up on my phone, and I picked the hard option, a full product with multiple features, best once you've built something before. And I asked, based off everything you know about me, what should I put in this first box? And it said, here's what fits you. 5+ years in online business and affiliate marketing. I build AI leverage content systems across Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram and YouTube. Focused on helping everyday people use AI to grow income through content and digital products. And I actually just used the simplified version down here. 5+ years building content and affiliate systems for solo entrepreneurs. And I thought that fitted pretty well, so I copied and pasted it into that box, which what we're going to do right now actually. So I'm going to press copy and paste. And then for the second box, I asked, what should I put right here? Known pain points to solve. And it actually took me a few times to get a good pain points so that I could generate some good ideas. So I just copied and pasted all the pain points right here. Copy, paste, generate some ideas, right? And here is actually one of the newer ideas. Let's go back to my first idea. Actually, this was going to be for personal use, but I don't think that we really need it. It's called Family Sync Hub. It was going to be, for my little family that I got going on, but I feel like it would just be a little extra thing, kind of overthinking it. And the thing that matters most is that I actually came in here and I actually tried building an app. And to my surprise, it actually turned out really well, all by leveraging AI. I would actually get paid for it, but I'm not going to go out here and market this because I feel like it would be a kind of a void, not a void, but throwing shit at the wall, I guess you could say, hoping it sticks. So my first idea, my first step, which is still a-okay, that I built a few days ago. Let me just find it really quick right here. This is something that I might proceed with because it is actually pretty decent in my opinion. It's called Income Path Pro, and the domain is available. I might buy it here soon just so that I could lock it down. If you come in here and start a free trial, you could easily start a free trial with your Google account. I'm surprised that Lovable could actually do that. The power of leveraging AI is mind-blowing me, with app building and stepping into the new software gold rush that we're going into with leveraging AI. I don't want to miss this. I'm seeing everybody do it, so I'm going to step in here, get some experience in, and build a worthy app that I feel like that could be helpful in my niche, which is coming back to it right here. So if we come back here to Maker AI, it actually generated the apps with the information we gave, with our niche, our experience, and the pain points we want to solve. And it generates 3 ideas. Top one right here, Omni Post AI, solo entrepreneurs struggle with Facebook's inconsistent algorithm, varied post type requirements, and lack of cohesive strategy across groups, profiles, and pages, leading to tanked reach and wasted effort, especially with the challenge of balancing reach versus outbound links. Now that's a decent idea, but for me, I feel like it would be a bit too much moving parts, so this is why I like to pick the medium sometimes. So we could come back to step 2, and our industry experience and known pain points to solve are still going to be there. So let's come back and generate more ideas, but in the medium option here. what this, coming back to this income path, bro, while the ideas generate, like I said, this is something that I might actually follow through with because it's a simple thing to where people could come in here, build a quick funnel, and start capturing some leads and have AI personalize your sequences, your email sequences that convert your audience into actual income. And there's a few tabs up here that has everything: your funnels, lead sequences, your audience, your pricing. You could build a little product if in here if you wanted to. And essentially, if you guys know what funnel freedom is, it's that, but simpler. Because I feel like funnel freedom has a bunch of different moving parts. And I feel like this, it scored really well in the Maker AI. This score up here was 80 for this idea. So I followed through with it. And this is something that I might actually keep following through with because it's not that bad of an idea. And leveraging AI with it, it's just mind-boggling to me of how fast you could come up here and build an app. So we have the AI idea finder in the medium difficulty. The ideas generated, coming back to this Get Maker AI. Let's see the ideas. We got FB Flow AI. Solo entrepreneurs struggle with Facebook's inconsistent algorithm, punishing quiet days and lacking a clear personalized content rhythm across diverse post types, leading to decreased reach and engagement. Also seems like a really good idea as well, because Lead Lens AI, it's a really good idea, but it might be a bit too much moving parts. Coming back to this FB Flow AI, the new one that we just generated, solo entrepreneurs and personal brand builders often struggle to maintain a consistent and algorithm-friendly presence on Facebook. Platform's ever-changing algorithm can severely penalize periods of inactivity or lack of diverse content, leading to a significant drop in organic reach and engagement. This inconsistency not only frustrates creators, but also costs them valuable visibility and potential leads, making it difficult to leverage Facebook effectively as a primary business growth channel. This is a very actually big pain point for me. Now, if I'm going to create a product, it would be something that I would want to use, and this is something that I would actually use, right? That going back to the first idea, the first app that I made, Family Sync, that was something that I would actually use, but it's something that I'm not going to follow through with it because overthinking it, like I said, it's just kind of like throwing shit at the wall. We all have our schedule and routine going, and we just remember stuff in the back of our heads. But this right here, it's kind of time consuming going back and forth with Claude and Gemini, saying, hey, I'm ready for next day's post, and then going in, copying and pasting, and then generating the image for it as well. So I didn't even read the solution right here. I'm assuming that's what the solution is. EpiFlow AI provides a personalized daily or weekly Facebook action plan by analyzing past successful posts and current platform trends. This plan dynamically suggests optimal post types, whether text, photo, reel, or story, and recommends tones tailored for personal profiles, pages, and groups. You see, this is one big problem with not too many moving parts and an app that I would actually use, and I think we might have found our winning product here. EpiFlow AI ensures sustained reach and engagement, transforming Facebook into a reliable engine for personal brand growth. Okay, now I think I'm going to follow through with this. I'm glad that we didn't, and as we can see right here, our score got strong. So I think this is going to be the main thing that I'm going to follow through with. And there aren't many competitors, it seems like. So this seems like an open market. Facebook algorithm crashing your reach. My AI tool fixed it. Case study. AI Facebook content strategy. 5 steps to 10x your engagement. I'm gonna follow through with this. Okay. AI feature advisor. Let's see if we want this app to be pretty engaging, but I don't want it to have that many moving parts. It's just a planner, so we don't need that many moving parts. So we don't need it to be that engaging actually. What features do similar? No. What features would help? No. What's a quick win feature could I add? Yeah, let's ask that and let's see what it brings up. A fantastic win would be hooks and headline generator. Even with a great strategy, most people struggle with the first sentence of their post. This feature would give them 5 to 10 catchy opening lines designed specifically to stop someone from scrolling past their posts in the Facebook feed. This is a powerful addition because it solves the blank page problem. Your users know what to talk about to your action plan, but they often get stuck on how to start. Okay, we're gonna go through with this idea right here and add it in. Immediate results, low complexity. And what we just added, it solves the blank page problem for the hook and headline generator. Okay, and this build scope, 11 features. It suggested tier 1 $50 a month and tier 2 $100 a month. We're not gonna change that at all. We're gonna do this. This is a software that I actually believe that I could make and scale, because not only I have this personal same problem, but I'm sure a lot of other people have the same problem as well. So if we could just have it in one area, you know how nice and cool that would be. Okay, so we're going to generate the lovable prompt. Press copy, come over here to the dashboard, paste, press enter, just like that. I'm gonna close this other one. And let's see what this makes. So yeah, we already did all of that. Marking complete and continue. And then after this generates, we will come in here, copy this one, paste it into there just like that. All right, after a few minutes, as we can see with this long prompt that we entered into Lovable, it generated a whole app just from scratch. And out of the 5 credits that we had to start with, we only have about 3.4 remaining. I'm probably going to end up topping up my credits just so that I could finish building out this app and actually start marketing this, because this is a really good idea and something that I actually would use. Because as we can see right here, I have 3 different pages open. My Facebook account, I have Claude open, and Gemini. Claude is for my daily content and Gemini is to generate the photos. And what this app is, the Facebook algorithm, Stop Killing Your Reach, FB Flow AI, it just puts it all into one. So yeah, this Maker AI is a really good game changer if you want to efficiently build your apps. And if you don't have any ideas, you could come in here and, you know, generate as many ideas as you want until you find one that, you know, you really like and follow through with it. So if you want to get Maker AI, I'll leave a link on the top and the bottom. I'll leave a link in the description on the top. With the power of leveraging AI and just simply taking a screenshot asking what I should put into these boxes based off of everything the AI chat knows about me, you know, and then copying and pasted it right back into it, it generated some pretty decent ideas, and I picked one that resonated with me the most, so I'm going to follow through with it. And like I said, if you want to try this Get Maker AI app, I'll leave a link in the description. And other than that, if you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.